The Standing Flexion series for the hip. We open this up with a runner stretch. We're going to be standing with the pelvis squared forward, placing the leading leg at the top of a relatively taller surface. The taller, of course, the better. That standing leg should bias a little outward or into an external rotation. And to increase a little more of a dynamic element, add a heel raise as you rock forward and back. That standing leg should have its glutes engaged at all times, especially as we go into a heel raise. You're going to want to rock forward and back to maximize the stretch on the elevated legs hamstring as well as the standing legs hip flexors. We are adding the standing pigeon element to the equation. Same thing, you're going to want to elevate that top leg and bring it into a 90-degree angle, squaring your pelvis with that elevated leg so as to not lose the stretch. This is also likened to a piriformis stretch. Rotating on my standing leg using the ball of my foot, rocking that elevated legs position side to side, similar to a hip 90-90 done on the floor. Once you've rotated completely or into an internally rotated position, you're going to want to maintain that. Avoid going into a hip flexor stretch. Once in this internally rotated position, you're going to want to rock your pelvis and torso so as to increase the internal rotation moment arm, and then bring it all the way back. I like to call these long swings followed by short swings by way of the pelvis only. Once you maintain this hip 90-degree angle, you can then add a torso twist. I like to use my elevated foot as an anchor with my hand while rotating to one side and then the other. You can add a little round the world element as you twist back and then forward, maintaining this standing pigeon stretch so as to lock up the elevated leg as well as the standing leg, keeping a glute squeeze on your standing leg, big toe down, abdomen tight, and most importantly, remembering to breathe as you lean into the stretch.